By virtue of the powers vested in me, I confer upon you the Doctor of Philosophy degree in Management Science, Education Management of Kampala International University. Congratulations.
Bishop wa Western Kore kando biroruho okabeja bentanda hamwe no kubashabira Bishop Johnson Tuno mujuni ashabira bejaba obutakose mibiri yabo okutunga emirimo hamwe na sente.
You need a healthy body. I ask you, take care of your bodies. The body is your medium of operation, and without it, you can neither be nor do anything. So if there is anything that you can say will lead your body to jeopardy, I ask you to refrain. Take care of your body.
Ogwa yongire yashaba bejaba okwijuka bigenderwa byabo.
Have the discipline. Do not allow sin to kill you. Do not dance yourself lame before the actual dance. I'm using the philosophy of the Igbo. Do not dance yourself lame before the actual dance. The best is yet. Everything is before you. Do not dance yourself lame, young people.
We omutandiki w'itendekero Alhaji Dr. Hassan Wasajja barabaho mu kugamba kwe ayibariza bejaba ahabo kuhika buhanguzo obu.
I first congratulate our students for the milestone and success done and for the work done. Well done. Then I of course thank also our parents, the parents of the students, for the work done and hard work which has been registered today. Thank you, dear parents.
I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all who have made this journey possible. To our lecturers and staff, thank you for the dedication to shaping these great minds. To our parents and guardians and everyone in support has made today's a success. Have made today's a success.
Minister wa byakara magezi Honorable Dr. Chris Bariomunsi ubirori umugeni mukuru aha mukoro ogu ahigira bejaba okwe hari umuzego w'ubushomankuzi.
Many of you will definitely get into employment either by government or private sector, or you will be self-employed, but you will need discipline. The challenge we see today, and as pointed of the ministry and in government, many of you young people join the working class and you also want to drive the vehicle like the minister drives immediately. Yes, if you earn the money honestly and you buy it, no problem. But you get into the temptation of being corrupt, of wanting to corruptly accumulate wealth so that you are able to live an A class. I'm saying be patient.
Bo abahendire mishomo yaba hitendekero basemerera hanga abo buhanguzo bwabahikizeho.
Amazina ganje ni banyeta Akankwasa Marion. I've done bachelor's of law and I'm so happy that I'm here today on this ground and finally graduating after the 4 years.
Erizoba nashemerwa munonga abo kujwara degree y'amateka eyinshomire emyakena hari Kampala International University.
Amazina ganje nibanyeta Shabohura Sharon ngenzagwa ya Kunchiri. Erizoba najwara degree y'amateka. Nimvura shemerirwe munonga kubechi n'ekinte kinkorerire munonga kandi nyencere kusima abazire banje.
Gasha Corona Dengabirano ahabwa Sky TV ageshonga.